Today I'll show you how to create a customized Memoji and add some fun new accessories and features. Let's get started! In Messages, tap the Unemoji icon, then swipe right and tap the new Memoji icon. Now let's customize your Memoji. Start with a cool hairstyle. No. This is nice. Use the slider for more color options. Add a piercing. On tongue? How about a headgear? Nah. Nice. You can customize the features of your Memoji like ears, facial hair, eyewear and more. Don't forget your AirPods. Cool. When you're finished, tap done. Looking good, huh? Do try this out and create a Memoji to match your personality and mood. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.